I am R.S. Chatrawat, Department of Mechanical Engineering from RA College of Engineering and IT, Jaipur. Hi students, today lecture is based on finite element method. Before we discussed finite element method, first of all we discussed on finite element. What is finite element and what is importance of finite elements? Actually, finite element analysis has now becomes an integral part of computer aided engineering. It is used in the analysis and design of many complex real life system. So in any complex parts of object like a aerodynamic shape, floating shape, we calculate different type of typical we solve different type of typical calculation. So first of all we divide these type of object in small parts, and these are small parts or finite elements known as finite elements. So while it started off as an extension of matrix methods of structural analysis and was initially perceived as a tool for structural analysis alone, its application now range from structure to biomechanics to electromagnetic field problem, simple linear static problems, as well as highly complex non-linear transistor dynamic problem are effectively solved using the finite element method. I mean, first, to solve a problem, the finite element method subdivided a large system into smaller, simple parts that are called finite elements. Means any object converted into small parts or in finite parts known as finite elements. This is achieved by a particular space discretization in the space dimension, which is implemented by the construction of a mesh of the object. The numerical domain for the solution, which has a finite number of points. Up types of different types of finite elements. First 2D elements, 2D planar elements, 3D elements, and special elements used to apply boundary condition. Means in a small in any parts, some parts are like floating shape and bound in boundary condition, yeah, joining parts and curve shape where the different type of shapes are not adjusted. Then mildly special elements include gap element to specify a two piece of geometry. These are typical finite elements. First common 2D elements like triangle show 3 points means 3 nodes, and 3 parts means 3 elements. And trapezium show 4 elements means 4 line means 4 elements, 4 points means 4 nodes. And here common 3D and plate and shell elements like cuboid, cube, and this type of shapes we use in different type of object. These are known as finite element, and total number of finite element we are joining as a with a boundary condition and apply different type of approaches to to required output. These are typical finite elements, 2D elements and 3D common elements. What is discretization and mesh? A discretization strategy is understood to mean a clearly defined a set of procedures that cover first the creation of finite element meshes, second the definition of basis function on reference element, also called shape function. Third, the mapping of reference element onto the elements of the mesh. These are meshing. First, in square, the lower right corner are in circular shape. These are that boundary condition are is floating shape. So the shape of the finite element are in circular curve areas, small parts. So we converted this type of area of object in divided small to small parts for find the mm, com- uh, complex problem to convert in easier form. And the total assembly of any objects show the mass of a car body as a structure. For a example image, the finite element method is a numerical technique used to perform finite element analysis of any given physical phenomenon. The finite element method is a mathematical procedure used to calculate approximate solution to differential equations. The goal of this procedure is to transform the differential equation into a set of linear equation. The finite element method formulation of a boundary value problem finally result in a system of algebraic equation. We used for different types of formula with you apply different type of approaches for different type of analysis with use matrix methods. The finite element methods is the most widely used methods for the solving problem of engineering and mathematical models. The typical problems area of interest include tradition field of structure analysis, heat transfer, fluid flow, mass transport, electromagnetic potential, which can then be solved by a computer in a uh, routine manner programmed into a finite element software such as ANSYS, Nastron, IDEA, Abacus, etc. The computer program set up the characteristic matrices for each element and then sums them all up for the entire finite element message to set up and solve the system level equation. The basic steps of the finite element analysis as these are. Okay, thank you.